5, 6, 7, 8.
Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm glad in the clouds, so dark out the clouds. The sun's in my heart, and I'm burning love. I let the storm and clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've got a smile on my face. Well, I walk down the lane with a happy refrain. I'm singing, singing in the rain. While I'm singing, singing in the rain. Well, I'm singing in the rain. What glorious feeling! I'm happy again. Well, I'm laughing, oh, laughing at the clouds, where the clouds way up above. Oh, that song's in my heart, and I'm going along. Let 'em storm, the clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've got a smile on my face. Well, I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain. 'Cause I'm singing and swinging and I'm singing, swinging and I'm oh, the rain, boy. I'm happy again, we're happy again. Oh, jip, 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 papa, jip, suba, subi, suba, papa, papa, singing and the jip, 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 papa, tutti, jip, shuba, jip, papa, jip, papa, tutti. Well, I'm winging and I'm swinging and I'm all the swinging, up the swing, swinging and I'm up on the thing. Well, I'm swinging, well, I'm swinging in the rain. Shop, up, up,
This dance is Swinging in the Rain, choreographed by Larry Hayden. It's a 64 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, shuffle forward, right, left, right, half turn right, shuffle, rock back, recover, right, kick, ball, change. Section 2 is the same as section 1. Shuffle forward, half turn right, shuffle, rock back, kick, ball, change. Section 3. Out, out, hold, bump your hips. Left, right, rock back, recover, shuffle a half to your right. Section 4 is the same as section 3. Out, out, hips. Left, right, rock back, recover, shuffle a half to your right. Section 5. Grapevine to your right. Side, behind, side, brush with a half turn. Side chassé, rock back, recover. Section 6. grapevine to the right, side behind, side brush, quarter turn to your right, side chasse up, back, recover. Section 7, heel grinds. Heel grind, heel grind, heel grind, heel grind. Last section. It's a rock recover. We're going to make 3 half turns to our right. Turn, 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 together, kick, ball, change. That's the whole dance. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8.